Welcome to this video on input units of a computer. This learning video will enable you to identify different types of input devices. Any device supports in the entry of data into a computer is known as input device. The input device converts the convenient external code into the binary codes that the computer can manipulate. Mouse, also known as a pointing device, is used to point and select an option on the monitor. It is a small box-like object connected externally to the computer. The pointer on the screen follows the direction and movement of the mouse. Rolling the mouse moves the pointer to the screen. The button on the mouse is used to select a particular option on the screen. Mechanical mouse. A rubber-coated ball which projects through the bottom surfaces rotates as the mouse is moved. This rotation is sensed and electrical signals are sent to the system by the switches present inside the mouse. This makes the cursor or pointer to move in a respective way. Optical mouse uses diode to emit light beam instead of rotating ball to detect the movements. The next input device we are about to discuss is the light pen. It is a pen-like device that is used only in video displays. It also can be used to select an option by simply pointing at it or drawing figure directly on the screen. An electron beam scans the display screen in all directions and produces the video display. The light pen has a photodetector at its tip. The detector can detect changes in the brightness of the screen. The light pen is externally connected to the computer by a cable. When the pen is pointed at a particular point on the screen, the point is scanned and the photodetector detects the change in the brightness and sends the electrical pulses to the computer. A touchscreen is a type of device in which the user can give the input by using fingers to point directly to objects on the screen instead of using pointing devices. It consists of a touch-sensitive, transparent panel covering the device. A joystick has a lever that can be moved in all directions. It controls the movement of the pointer or some other display symbol on the screen. A joystick is like a mouse except that the pointer stops moving once the mouse is stopped moving. However, in a joystick, the pointer continues to move in the direction to which the joystick points. To stop the pointer, the joystick has to be returned to the upright position. Keyboards are the most commonly used input devices. The most popularly used keyboards are those that look and feel like a typewriter keyboard. Membrane keyboards have keys where the alphabets, symbols, and numbers are printed on a plastic membrane. Pressure-sensitive two-dimensional keyboards consist of a dust-proofed and dust-proof plastic sheet cover, which is useful in a dirty environment. Scanners are the eyes of the computer. They can see images or printed text and translate them into binary code. Most scanners collect data from a page by recording the light and dark areas. The scanner contains a camera which is made up of thousands of tiny cells called charged coupled devices or CCD. Key points discussed in this video. Any input device converts the convenient external code into binary codes that the computer can manipulate. The mouse is a small box-like object connected externally to the computer. The pointer on the screen follows the direction and movement of the mouse. A light pen can select an option by simply pointing at it. Drawing figure directly on the screen. A touchscreen is a type of device in which the user can give the input by using fingers to point directly to the objects on the screen instead of using pointing devices. A joystick has a lever that can be moved in all directions. It controls the movement of the pointer or some other display symbol on the screen. Scanners scan images, printed text, and translate them into binary code.